Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Here we'll learn how are we supposed to register for PTE exam. So it's going to be a step-by-step guide. So stay tuned. Let's begin. Firstly, you have to type on Google My PTE. Here you just have to click on this first option you see. Then it'll take you towards this Pearson website. Okay. If you have already registered for the exam previously, then you can just type your username and password. But if you're new and registering for the very first time, then click on the sign up. After clicking, you will see the interface wherein you'll have to create your new username, wherein it just should be your email ID. So fill in your email ID. It should be working email ID, wherein it's going to verify later on with your email ID. So type in your mail ID. Let's type. Now, after typing the mail ID, you're supposed to fill and keep one password. This has to contain all these things. At least 12 characters should be there. A lowercase letter should be there. An uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. That means @ or somewhat. If you click on this option, you'll see all these options. It should contain any one of them. Okay, let's write one password. Then click on continue. Okay guys, after that we have hop onto this kind of interface wherein we are supposed to furthermore fill our details. Okay, now we are supposed to fill the name, the surname, but please make sure that whatever detail you're filling in should exactly match your passport details. Okay, keep your passport in front of you while you're registering for this. Okay, if you have in your passport the surname altogether in the given name itself, then you're not supposed to fill in externally your surname. Okay, write it like this. In the given name itself, you have to write it like this. Okay, that I don't have any surname on my passport ID, you have to click here onto that. Okay, but if you have a surname separately, then you're not supposed to do this way. Okay, now fill in your DOB. It should also exactly match your passport details. Okay, after that, country of residence. Please check this box if you want to receive information about Pearson and PTE product services, or please check this box if you want to be contacted by Pearson or one of our third-party partners for future research into Pearson's English language product or services. You can click on both and then create account. You just need to make sure that you have written your password properly. These all should have a green tick. Okay, let's move further to create account. Okay, now guys, we have to verify. Click on the verify email, wherein they will send you on your entered email address the verification link. You just have to confirm, that's it. So click on this verify email. Okay, until the time you just check your phone, it must have a mail, and click on confirm. Verify your email. Okay, I've confirmed it. Since you can see now it's visible. Now next to it is complete profile option. You have to click on it and complete the further details of yours which you have not filled yet. Okay, so gender, female. You have to type further your place of birth, which should exactly match your passport. Country, country of citizenship, again you can type India. Next. You have to type your address now, which should again match your passport. Your number should be there. It should be working because they can call you anytime for checking purposes or any information purposes. So please make sure that you are typing the appropriate number of yours, which is working. Okay, we are done. We are done. After, okay, so now they ask you, are you ready to book today without special test arrangements? That means if somebody is handicapped or need a special chair or something, in that case you would have to write as no, I require. Otherwise, in normal cases you can just type yes. You can just click on this yes and go ahead. Okay, later to this, now we've got this kind of an interface wherein we are supposed to again fill in some more details of ours. So select your country, where you're supposed to go. Are you taking your test in your country or residence? So select accordingly, yes. What's your current goal? If you are going for study purposes, work or joint family or settlement purposes, click accordingly. Then book my test. Okay. Now, this kind of an interface you would see wherein you are supposed to fill some more details of yours. So what language do you speak mostly at home? You can click of any of the languages. If you speak English, you can select English. There's no problem. If you speak Hindi, Punjabi, accordingly you can select. I have read the ID policy and everything. Click on it. And then if you have been asked to provide a code or reference number, enter here. If not, then it's fine. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions. Then I consent to my score being allocated to Department of Home Affairs, Australia. You can click on both of them. Now, how did you hear about PTE Academic? You can select accordingly from wherever you heard about it. Which country or region are you planning to study or work or settle in? If you have not decided, please select your preferred destination, wherever you want to go. So select accordingly. And what best describes your current situation? So whatever you're doing, you're a student, if you're a working professional, select accordingly. And why are you taking PTE Academic? Select accordingly. Okay. The reason of yours. And click on next. Now, the very last step of ours. Now, the last step of ours is that they just ask you to agree to the policies. You just agree and move ahead. Okay. Now you have to select the location as well as the time of yours. Okay, along with the date. So you choose accordingly the time, the date, and click on book. Now these are the things, these are your details wherein it's written your appointment is booked for this date, particular date, and location is going to be this. Okay, click on next. Now this is the last step wherein you just have to make your payment. This is done. Click on it. Click on checkout. Here you just have to fill in your details, your billing details. Okay, and you can also, if you have a voucher code from anywhere, if you've got something, then click on it. You will get some sort of concession on your fee, whereas 18,000 is your fee, and you can just click on this apply and you can make your payment done and you're done. Okay, so these were the whole steps, guys. These were the whole procedure. That's how you book your test. I hope the things are now clearer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video.